Welcome to Evolved Floors. Today, we're diving into vinyl versus hybrid flooring. What are the benefits of each solution and which might be best for your next project? Let's get into it. Vinyl flooring is a popular choice in the renovation and commercial market. It's a flexible plastic product, known for being budget-friendly and easy to install. Often regarded as the more affordable option, vinyl offers a vast array of finishes, including wood prints and various other colors. While it's not 100% waterproof, vinyl flooring is great for mopping up any spills or your pet's accidents. It's easy to maintain and can be cleaned easily with a mop and duster. This makes it a practical choice for many areas in your home or office. It's incredibly durable, allowing you to drag furniture across it, and even pets won't scratch it easily. When installing vinyl flooring, one of the biggest advantages over a hybrid is vinyl's ability to be fitted up against walls, kitchen cabinets, or other vertical surfaces without the need and cost of additional trims or work. Now let's look at hybrid flooring. Hybrid flooring is the modern-day solution. As a floating floor solution, unlike vinyl, hybrid flooring can tolerate a less than perfect subfloor, meaning minimal floor preparation is required and no adhesives. It's easy to care for. Simply vacuum and mop, providing a waterproof finish and offering great UV resistance. Hybrid flooring also offers fantastic comfort underfoot due to its thicker composition and attached underlay. It's an eco-friendly option as it can biodegrade at the end of its life. With great value options through to premium planks in both vinyl and hybrid solutions. It all depends on your budget and design preferences. Visit our showroom at Unit 4, 6-8 Enterprise Street, Molendinar, or contact us for more information. We're here to assist you in finding your perfect flooring solution. Evolved Floors, where quality meets innovation.